Hi everyone, today we're on Module 1, Lesson 10 of VMath Level F. Turn to page 37 and follow along to take notes. Okay, this is a math flash lesson, so relating decimals to fractions. Use the number line to write decimals and decimal fractions. So here we have 2/10 and as a decimal, 0.2, so 2 in the tenths place. 3/10. 0.3, 3 in the tenths place. 0.4, that how we would say this number is 4/10. Okay, and then here we have 5/10, 0.5. Here we have 47 hundredths. Well, as a decimal, 0.47, 47 hundredths. It would be pretty close to 5/10 on the number line. So this says, for decimal tenths, write the decimal as a fraction with a denominator of 10. For decimal hundredths, rewrite the decimal as a fraction with a denominator of 100. So here we have 0.4 or 4/10, so we would say 4/10, and then as a fraction, 4/10. Here we have 0.47, so 47, it's in the hundredths place, so hundredths. 47 hundredths. Okay, what you're going to do now is complete that page 37, on your own. Good luck.